I'm sharing my secret recipe for lasagna. For the recipe, you will need meat, bacon, sugar, carrot, onion, garlic, these sauce and pasta, and whatever this is. First, we brown our meat. Alakazam! Now, I'll toss in some bacon. Mixy. Then add all your vegetables. Now add some salt. And some pepper. Then we add tomato paste and a pinch of sugar. Then you add 2 cups of chicken stock. Then you add some tomato sauce. You let this cook on a low heat for about an hour. Now we're going to make some bechamel sauce. Now we place some butter in the pan. Now we add the flour. Need to cook the flour in about 1 to 2 minutes. Now we have the milk. Now, we just have to whisk this gently on a low heat. And then we need to whisk it for about 10 minutes. See, this looks ready. Now it's time to assemble the lasagna. This is really fun, but if you're little, you shouldn't cook all by yourself. So now I'm going to put the pasta sheets on here. Now, let's add another layer of the meat sauce. Now, we need a layer of bechamel. And we need lots of cheese. We're going to use mozzarella and parmesan cheese. Whoops, that's a little bit too much. Then you add another layer of pasta. What do you think comes next? The meat sauce. Keep layering until you use up all your mixtures. Now, we're going to cover this with some foil and bake it in the oven for about 1 hour. to let it cool down for about 15 minutes. Okay guys, it's ready. It smells so good. Oh, that looks so cheesy. Oh, this is so good. What do you think, Sophia?
Oh my god! I hope you don't mind, but I'd really love to try some.
Okay.
Emily, this is the best lasagna I've ever had. It's so good. Really good.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell for notifications.